Welcome back to the boat tour. So today we've got this special boat. This is an Masood 24-meter aluminium boat with twin MTU 2,000 horsepower each jet engines. So this particular boat has a shallow draft, making it very easy to get into those islands, around the beaches, and accessibility to everybody that you can get to. So this boat has 3 cabins which we'll show you. We've got the owner's cabin and we've also got 2 guest cabins. We'll show you the massive engine room, amazing saloon that's been redone and re-customized with all these seats and all these tables, and then the amazing Helm station that this boat has. Social space for everybody, very, very safe and very stable. Walking up these huge stairs, we've got the handrails both sides. We've got this brand new teak flooring, as you can see. It's in excellent condition with perfect caulking. We've got massive bathing platform down on the bottom, so making it nice and easy to get on. Access to the engine room as well. And then this seating with these brand new covers. We've got the low level lighting. These are really comfortable as they're fixed seating, so they don't wobble at all. And then where you are now, you've got the main entrance to all the accommodation. On the right hand side, the starboard here, we've got a day head, and on the port side here, we've got a galley for the crew. Walking through the main door from the cockpit, we've got this day head here for all of the guests, which I'll show you shortly. And then further forward, you can see this amazing spacious and social space. So this is brand new. This has just been fitted in the last year or so with a different layout to make it more social, with these drop leaf tables, so you can either use them as they are now, or you can flip them over, raise them and use them for eating. You've got the stairs down there to the accommodation, and then the main helm here, which I'll show you around. Obviously the big point of this boat is its twin jet engines, so we'll look into a little bit more information there and we'll show you those. Now this is a special boat because obviously with the twin jet engines, so we've got 2 MTU 2,000 horsepowers fitted with the MJP jets. So all of the controls are from here, nice and easy. We've got the twin throttles there, you've got all of the jets and all of the engine management lights on here, and recently upgraded Raymarine touchscreens, so everything is in order. You've got all your navigation equipment, we've got a brand new compass, we've also got the SIMRADs as well. Anything you can need for navigation or safety is fitted within this boat. Also another upgrade, we'll spin you around to show you this unit here. This is for the cooler system for the air conditioning, so that gets sent all the information from there directly to the main agents and Holland. So any problems with the chillers and the air conditioning is automatically sent to them and they tell you exactly what to do. So this boat is always kept as cold as possible. With the jet engines, you've got 3 separate different ways of controlling engines. You've got the joystick here in this cupboard, so that folds away very nicely. You've obviously got the throttles here with the steering, and then you've got other throttles here, but these are separate, so you run both engines separately, making it nice and easy to maneuver. Down these stairs, you can see here, these have recently been fitted. This was carpet before, and they put this really thick teak wood. It brings you all the way down to the cabins. Behind you there is the owner's cabin. Then further forward, we've got these 2 guest cabins. Towards the bow here, we've got the owner's cabin. So this boat has 3 cabins. We've got the owner's cabin and then 2 guests. They've all got en suites, and we'll show you those shortly. You can see the island berth, king size bed, absolutely massive, with this amazing headboard and these reading lights. Wardrobes both sides, we've got portholes, and they've also got these really nice electric blinds, so nice and easy to open and close during the night or the day. Towards the starboard, we've got these 2 guest cabins, so they're both single berths. So we've got twins here and the same on the other side, so they're absolutely identical. Again, we've got these electrical blinds, you've got the remotes for the TVs, flat screen Samsung TV, and then again we've got another ensuite with a walk-in shower, electric toilet and big basin. So this is the guest cabin head. As I said there, you've got the electric heads, you've got the basin with this large mirror with storage behind it, and again this huge walk-in shower with the seat and more storage there. As mentioned, this is exactly the same as the starboard side, so another guest cabin with those two beds there and the ensuite. And you walk back to the bow and walk up to the stairs into the saloon. So we've got the sidewalks here. Again, we've got these really safe railings all the way around the boat. Full brand new teak, also these big windows. Access here into the helm station, so it makes it nice and easy when you're mooring or if you're anchoring. And then further forward, we've got this huge bow and deck area again. It can be used for anything. You can either do your fishing here, you can put more cushions. You've got the fitted seats again. And then we've got the Maxwell windlass with the electric foot controls. The walkway through to the back is exactly the same. So they're the same width, both sides, making it nice and easy if you want to go port or starboard. So as you can see, this is the special part of the boat. Of a boat of 24 meters, this engine room is massive. Engineers love working in here. You can see how well looked after it is. You can see these massive MTU, 2000 horsepower each, with the jets on the side. We've got two Fisher Panda 36 kilowatts as well. This is the famous chiller that you can see behind you that we showed you upstairs. We've got all the battery chargers in here. We've got automatic fire extinguishers. Everything you need is fitted in this boat, and it's very accessible for anybody to do any maintenance work or repair work. Continuing in the engine room, we could talk about the speed. So this boat, for 24 meters and the size of it, this does up to 41 knots. Cruising speed around 20 knots with the jets is very, very smooth. You can see the jet system here, the MJP system. We've got the turning on the board, and then that's the whole system where you can see all the pressurized items. This doesn't look too important, but it is absolutely great. So this is the converter for the shore power, so you can plug into all of these marinas and you don't have to worry about the conversion. This does it all for you. So this boat is fully spec'd, as you can see, with the battery chargers, the little things like the converters, and these amazing MJP jets. Another little thing, we've got the Sonny hull, so that's the ultrasonic anti-foul, which keeps the hull nice and clean. You're not going to get those barnacles that are going to bring down the performance and also bring down the fuel economy. So everything is set up, this boat is ready to go, turnkey, and off you go. Well, thank you very much for watching this tour of this Masood 24 meter with twin jet engines. This particular boat is now for sale with Bush & Noble, so the full spec will be on their website, which is www.bushandnoble.com. You can contact them with any questions. They'd love to invite you down to have a look around the boat and see it for yourself.